Hi, this is David DuPont, inventor of the Sure Step Safety Step Stool. I'd like to introduce you to a step that is probably the most dangerous step that seniors could probably use, or anybody for that matter. It's called a folding step stool, and I have one here that it's very convenient. It's called an easy fold, and it's very easy to fold up and store. We had this step in our house and my wife loved it. I said, "Hun, you know I am so against folding step stools because they're dangerous." And she said, "Well, why?" And so I said, "Well, okay, the step folds out and it stores nicely. It says it's rated for 300 pounds, great. But what happens when one of these hinges comes out of place? What happens if if you don't lock it back in place perfectly and you're standing on it?" And my wife said, "Oh, that's okay, I really like it. It's very convenient and it doesn't take up as much space as most steps that don't fold." And I said, "Okay." So she was using it one day, standing on it. Now, I don't know if it was locked into place or not, but she kept it in the same place all the time, so I have to assume that this step was locked into place just like we see it is now. She was standing on it, and the step just exploded and she fell. Literally, it just came apart. There were pieces laying next to the step. One of the parts just came apart. And that is why I do not like folding step stools. They're dangerous. This one is, like I said, it's nice because it folds up and it stores easily. There's no rubber pads on the bottom of this step. It is rated for 300 pounds, but my wife doesn't weigh 300 pounds and it collapsed on her. So do not let your senior use a folding step stool. It's so dangerous. They're going to fall, they're going to get hurt. There's just no question about it. So please, do not buy folding step stools for your senior. This is David DuPont. Thanks for watching.